Beginner sewist. If your machine is not sewing well, it may not be threaded correctly. Let me show you the simplest way. First of all, place your thread on the spool pin like so at the top of the machine. Next thing to do is pull the thread and pass it through the first thread guide like so. Now take the thread down through the tension area, then bring it back up like so. Pass the thread through the take up lever here. Bring the thread down. And pass it through the eye of the needle like so. Now let's go to the inner thread. Now this is called the bobbin, and here is the bobbin case. So you insert your bobbin inside the bobbin case. Then pull the thread out through the small slot like so. Now place it under the machine as inside like so. I'm sorry you can't see the inside. Try and fix it very well. If you want me to make a video on how to fix the bobbin case inside the machine, please let me know in the comment section. So now hold the top thread and turn the machine wheel towards you. The needle will go down like so and bring the inner thread out. Can you see that? It's so simple. Now your sewing machine is ready to sew. Subscribe to Abas Apparel for more beginner sewing tutorials.